You are going to love the 2024 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.